masabi ko yon na we are truly behind sa education system natin compared to more developed countries around the world. And that is true. That is an observation. That is a fact of the Philippines. And I have all the right to say kung ano yung katotohanan ng bansa natin. That is covered by the freedom of speech and expression natin. So, dapat siguro walang magalit. Kasi yun naman yung katotohanan ng bansa natin eh. Saan ba tayo magsisimula mag-isip ng mga solusyon kung hindi natin tanggapin na mayroong problema yung bayan?